Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. We are checking out the brand new Secrets Mirabel. We're just here for a few hours, so follow along and let's see what we see. Hola! Good morning everyone! So you have Belvedere, I see Kettle One, a great selection of tequilas, Perfecto. Let's have a peek at the preferred lounge. We are viewing room 468.
The building, but the reason why I mentioned that is because the only thing that we did was like the building, and one side of the building was changed with, but you're going to see that in the name of the category.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
This looks lovely. So there's pin lights, dials for your devices, television, and a place for your luggage. And here is a room with 2 double beds. So you can request a king or 2 doubles. We're going to look at 485 Junior Suite Preferred Club Oceanfront. Now this is a sensational room. Talk about oceanfront. My goodness. Preferred Club Master Suite with plunge pool.
This is your next honeymoon there.
Your own dressing room, which is rather nice. Large desk for work.
I really like that it had all king beds facing.
And this is a pool that everyone can enjoy. Lots of chaise lounges with cover.
The restaurant, this one is for breakfast for the preferred club, yes, and depends on the
Look at the blue glasses. Isn't that pretty? This is the Mediterranean restaurant. This is the Sky and Sushi Bar on the 7th floor. What a nice view you get. Ooh, I could so sit up here and have a glass of wine for sure. Hola, gentlemen. Hola, hola. This is the Blue Water Steakhouse. It's sensational. And the views of the sun setting would be so pretty. Blue Water Steakhouse. This is a wine room that you can rent for a private party. Contact me for details. This would be great for wedding couples. This is Himitsu, the Asian restaurant. The entrance is beautiful. And in case you forget your sunscreen, would like a cover-up, they have a pharmacy as well. Coco Cafe is open 24 hours for goodies and coffee. This is the buffet and it will be open for breakfast and lunch. I'm on the Preferred Club 7th floor at Secrets Mirabel, and it is beautiful. So if you're coming here, I do suggest booking a preferred room so that you have access to this rooftop deck. Sitting here and enjoying a cocktail and maybe some sushi. Ooh, sounds good.